Hi, I am Srinivas Reddy, partner at Clarity Estates. Let's explore this beautiful 4 BHK flat at Sonthalia Sky Villas, Kokapet. Sonthalia Sky Villas features 4 iconic towers offering spacious residences. The clubhouse offers various amenities in 45,000 square feet, and it is also surrounded by professional cricket net and outdoor gym and also party hall. It is a perfect place to stay active, relax and celebrate with family and friends. Next to the clubhouse are a peaceful Ganesh idol, a yoga deck, a lily pond and a walking track for your daily relaxation. Hello everyone, Namaste. Today I am going to show you 4 BHK flat tour in Sonthalia, 7333 square feet. This is one bedroom and this is attached washroom. Okay, you can also see the shower area and it is very spacious. Now we will see one more bedroom. This is one more bedroom and you can see the cupboards on the right side and left side also, and this is attached washroom and this is shower area. And you can see the cupboard ceiling height is also very high and the cupboards are having premium look. This is living room or family lounge. You can see the huge living area here. This is family lounge. And this is wide balconies with a beautiful view. They are the different towers in the same Sonthalia community. We can also see Gandipet Lake from here. And this is puja room on the right side. And this is powder room or dry washroom. And this is one more bedroom. This is master bedroom and this is also having very good lake view of Kokapet. You can see from here on the right side. And the ceiling height is also very good here. These are all the cupboards on the right side. And this is washroom. And we also have tub here. And this is one more bedroom. This is also having lake view. This is the fourth bedroom, the last bedroom. And you can see the balcony here. And this is washroom, attached washroom. And now we are going to the dining area. This is the dining area on my left side. I'm going to the kitchen. This is the kitchen. We have both wet kitchen and dry kitchen. The one on the left side is a dry kitchen and on the right side is wet kitchen. And this is also utility area, or you can use it as a wet kitchen also. And this is a beautiful semi-furnished flat. The total area is 7333 square feet and it is west facing. Asking price is 13 crores. It's in C block. And this is a huge living area. And on the right side it's a big balcony facing other blocks. This balcony is attached to the living area. Thank you for watching this video.